so loud.
Make way for James, for it's his day. What's with the yelling?
Exciting.
Who are we talking about?
One job by one, the work is done.
Look at those wheels!
So mighty.
Power, give more power. Right up till the boiler's about to burst. Engine, he does it for the glory and the fame. Plus gain strength when people shout his name. Engine, there's no train on the whole island as splendid compared to our James.
A show off if you ask me.
Watch out as he pulls the express down the main line. You're in awe as his lovely paintwork shines. Fact is, James simply the most unique engine, so slick and so divine. The ultimate engine. The ultimate engine.